Hello and thanks for investing in this course. This is Bharat T.P. Reddy. I'm a software architect and a best-selling instructor. For the last 14 years, I have been designing and developing different Java EE applications using the various modules from Spring. We will start this course by learning all the important concepts such as what microservices are, the key RESTful principles, and why we should use REST to implement microservices APIs, as well as how Spring Data REST makes our life as a developer way easier to implement microservices REST APIs. You will then see Spring Data REST in action by creating a simple Spring Data REST API project using Spring Boot in 2 simple steps. You will then work on a complete event management use case where I will create a end-to-end RESTful API and also test it using Postman REST client. Enabling paging and sorting support for our RESTful resources is very easy using Spring Data REST. You will turn on that support. And you will also customize the JSON responses that go back to our client and the fields that appear in our responses. You will learn how to implement custom finder methods which Spring Data supports and implement them in our use case without writing any SQL queries at all. Spring Data REST also offers a way to customize or add custom business logic over our RESTful resources. You will implement custom business logic using custom controller methods. The same data model can be represented to our clients in different ways using projections and excerpts. We will create multiple projections and also use excerpts. We will then learn how to configure HAL browser, which is a super cool way to self-document our application, which generates a beautiful UI over our RESTful API on the fly. In one single step, you can configure this HAL browser, which you will do. Last but not the least, security is an important aspect of every application, and you will implement both authentication as well as authorization for our API using Spring Security at the URL level as well as the Java method level.